Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. This week, we are turning our attention to Malaysia, which is aggressively positioning itself as a high-value hub for global medical device manufacturing. The ambition is clear: move beyond basic consumables and into complex, higher-margin products. However, a fascinating challenge is emerging not on the factory floor, but in the regulatory paperwork. Specifically, it is the clash between advanced manufacturing technology and the regulations struggling to keep pace. Let's look at a real-world scenario we have seen. A leading Malaysian manufacturer of sterile surgical kits recently invested millions in an AI-powered visual inspection system for quality control. This system is incredible, capable of detecting microscopic defects far more accurately than the human eye. The goal was to increase yield, enhance safety, and strengthen their applications for both a CE mark and US FDA approval. But here is the problem they encountered. While their quality management system is fully compliant with ISO 13485, the Malaysian Medical Device Authority, or MDA, has not yet published clear guidelines on how to validate AI software used within a manufacturing process. This ambiguity creates a significant hurdle. The manufacturer cannot definitively prove to auditors and international regulators that their AI system is validated according to a recognized standard. This has stalled their updated technical file submission, delaying access to the European market. This is not an isolated case. It highlights a critical bottleneck across the region. Governments are pushing for Industry 4.0, but the regulatory frameworks for these advanced technologies are still in development. The core issue is that AI in manufacturing is not a simple software update. It is a dynamic system that learns and evolves. Regulators are asking tough but necessary questions. How do you validate a system that is not static? What happens if the AI's algorithm updates? How do you document and control for algorithmic drift? Manufacturers are caught in the middle, eager to innovate but hesitant to invest in technologies that might not pass regulatory scrutiny. This is where a proactive regulatory strategy becomes essential. Companies must engage with regulatory bodies early, create robust validation protocols based on best practices from other industries, and meticulously document every step. The path to integrating advanced technology is complex, but for those who navigate it successfully, the competitive advantage will be immense. The future of medtech manufacturing in ASEAN depends on solving this innovation-regulation gap. If your company is facing similar challenges in navigating the complex and evolving regulatory landscapes for advanced manufacturing, feel free to contact us. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.